Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to recover accidentally deleted files from an SD card, hard drive or any type of device. If you are a photographer, videographer, filmmaker, video editor or vlogger, you know how heartbreaking it can be to accidentally delete important files. But don't worry, today I am going to show you how to recover your lost data from SD card, hard drive, USB drives and even digital cameras using Wondershare Recover It. Wondershare Recover It can recover various file types whether they are photos, videos or audio files. This new version supports recovery from popular devices like DJI, GoPro, Sony and etc., making it easier than ever to retrieve lost files with improved external storage recovery features. You can recover photos, videos, and more from SD card, USB drives, and hard drives, all with 99.5% success rate. Link to the website is available in the video description. After installation, launch the program and you will see an interface like this. Here you can find different options like hard drives and location at the top. We have options for external hard drives and quick access. Options like disk, image, desktop, select a folder or even recovering files from the recycle bin. On the left hand side you will find more recovery options such as SD card recovery. If you have accidentally deleted files from your SD card, this option allows you to scan and recover lost photos, videos and other data directly from your SD card. Next, we have enhanced recovery option. This feature is designed to provide a deeper scan for your lost media files. You can also recover your photos or videos like Sony, Canon, DJI and GoPro. Next, we have the corrupted video repair feature. This tool allows you to fix damaged or corrupted video files. Next, we have the system crashed computer recovery option. If your computer has crashed or won't boot up, Recover It can help you retrieve your important files from the system. Wondershare Recover It also have NS and Linux recovery option. I have a USB drive and I want to recover deleted files from my USB drive. I am going to delete some data from my USB drive intentionally. Photos, videos, audios and documents. As you can see, everything has gone. But don't panic. Let's recover it with this amazing software. First, I will select external drive option and choose my USB drive. Recover It will begin scanning from the device. As you can see, the process has started and you can see the percentage and the total file count which have been scanned. And here is also a cool part during the scan. If you spot the files you need, you can pause or stop the process. There is no need to wait for the full scan. Here you can see the file locations and file types. You can see it has been recovering photos, videos, audios, documents, email and many other files. You can also preview any file whether it's a photo, video or document before recovering it. This way you can make sure you are selecting the correct files. Once you have found the data you want to recover, simply select it, hit the recover button and choose a safe path. Just remember not to save the recovered files to the same location where you lost them to avoid overwriting. And here it is, the data has been recovered. Let me preview the files and it has been recovered in the same quality as it was deleted. So whether you have lost files from an SD card, hard drives or USB drive, Wondershare Recover It has got you covered. With this easy process, you can recover your deleted files in just a few minutes. Wondershare Recover It offers a powerful data recovery solution. You can choose the plan here. Here you can see you can recover files from hard drive, SD card, USB drives and more. It supports over 1000 plus files formats enjoying advanced features like tip scan, file preview and corrupt video repair. Choose between 1 month, 1 year or perpetual license. So try it today and the link to the website is available in the video description. So must check it out. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, comment down below if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.
I wanna hear about everything